Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Bethune Street. Now, let me show you guys where I am right now. So basically, that street back there, that's Bethune. And this here is 8th Avenue. Kind of. So it starts back there and all this. So before we leave, guys, let me show you. So again, we're going to be doing Bethune Street. Today is really short. You can even see from here in the background. See? It's about 3 blocks. That's it. Down there. That's heading towards the west and the Hudson. Let me show you where I am. And again, that back there is 8th Avenue. So right now I'm in the middle of where Bethune starts or finishes if you're coming from the west to the east. And now that you see where I am, we begin the journey now. So again, it's only about 3 blocks long, not that long. Let me see. Again, the Good Earth Cleaners. Again, like I said, guys, these are very short streets, guys. Oh, by the way, guys, again, this video is brought to you by Mini Me. Now, moving on. Coming up at Bethune Street, Granite Street, heading west bound. Justino Familion, you see? Granite Street, Bethune Street. So on this one, I'm gonna go a little slow, guys. You know, ooh, check it out. A car must have done that. It took it off its foundation right there. See? So a car had done that. You know, there's no way a human or a bike could do that. Townhouses. Bless you, thank you. Salud, gracias. So yes, guys, it's only about 3 blocks long, that's it. And it's called Bethune Street. There's a restaurant here on the corner. Oh, and by the way, guys, today plays the United States. They play today. Right now, Canada is losing 3-0 against let me see, Moroccan. Coming up at Bethune Street, Washington Street, heading westbound. So again, I think Canada's going home today because they're losing 3-0 against Morocco. So yeah, that was one of my teams here from North America, man, but it seems that they gotta go home today. Morocco already put in 3 goals, so wow, yeah. So yeah, it's not looking good right now, unless they can pull it off somehow, guys. But yeah, so it looks like Canada may be going home today, man. I mean, they're already home, but you know, out of the FIFA World Cup. I wanted to see him at least be 2nd or 3rd place, you know, something like that. We'll see. I don't know. Let's see how far they go. And tomorrow, Mexico's playing against England in one of my other teams, which is England. And again, you know, make the best team win. And I think United States is playing against Belgium, I think. I gotta check the roster. It's really windy right now, guys. Ah, feels good with a win. Ah, yeah. Coming up at Bethune Street, West Street. And in here we're gonna do a 180, guys. See? West Street, Bethune Street. And here we're gonna go this side and head back east. Check out the, I forgot, Dalmatians, yeah. Again, guys, you know, again, this is the last and fourth day of the heat wave. It's supposed to be about 100 or 101 today. It's supposed to feel like that today. But again, I don't mind. This is my kind of weather. My kind of weather. But also, people have told me not to get exposed too much because, you know, in reality, they're right. You know, not too much exposure because, you know, heat is heat, you know, so. Okay, guys, and look at that. Ooh, we coming to a ramp. Nice. Ramp. And this is West Beth, home of the arts since 1970, main entrance. Okay. Okay. See the things that you get to see around here, guys, in your own backyard of New York City. Coming up at Bethune Street, Greenwich Street, heading eastbound. You got a little restaurant here. I don't see a name, just a regular restaurant, but there's no name on it.
Yeah, that's up.
Okay, guys, coming to the last street up ahead. Coming up at Bethune Street, Greenwich Street. Again, guys, since this street was really short, we're gonna close the circuit back there where we started from. Because again, it was only 3 blocks long, so it's about tops maybe 10 minutes peak. So we're gonna close the circuit down there in the middle where we started from, and it will be closed, and that's it. So now we're gonna go here. Okay guys, and right here where we started, we close the circuit here. And guys, I will see you some more time. Bye.